previous lesson, I touched on this subject, but I did a recap again this lesson about Chinese questioning. Okay, they know how to use one of the questioning pattern is to add a ma to a sentence structure. For instance, if you want to say, is it a skirt? In Chinese, it will be the sentence structure that they already know, which is you would say as 是裙子吗? Okay. The new sentence structure for questioning, another way of saying it, instead of saying 是裙子吗, another way of saying it, we tend to, in Chinese, they tend to take the verb, we put the positive verb and stick next to it the negative verb, and we don't need to add ma, because when you have a positive verb followed by a negative verb, it's understood to be a question. So for the same question, is it skirt, it becomes 是不是裙子? 是不是裙子? So here we go. Is it a school? It will be, try and see if you can read some of the Chinese characters, especially the one highlighted in red. It is, what does this say? 是学校吗? Now if you were to try another form, the positive and negative form, it will be 是不是学校? 是学校吗? Or 是不是学校? Now, how about, do you have biscuits? Now we do the first one. For the first one, let's do the one with ma. It becomes 你有饼干吗? 你有饼干吗? And the second type of questioning that we do, here's a hint for you. For have is 有, so the negative for have is an exception. Remember, it is not, I told you, it is not 不. You cannot have 有不有, that is wrong. How would you say it? It will be 你有没有饼干? Notice that in this case, when you have a person, like the structure of the question says, do you have biscuits? Person usually come in front. Okay, so it would be 你有饼干吗? Or 你有没有饼干? Right, how about, do you want cake? Can you remember what is want in Chinese? Want is 要. And cake, what is cake? Cake is 蛋糕. So, do you want cake will be, now we try the first form with the ma in it one, will be 你要蛋糕吗? 你要蛋糕吗? The second form is 你要不要蛋糕? 你要不要蛋糕? Do you have lollipop? Okay, before we move into this, first of all, let's see if you can remember what is have. Have is 有. And what's lollipop? Lollipop is 棒棒糖. So 有棒棒糖. So do you have lollipop? Will be 你有棒棒糖吗? 你有棒棒糖吗? Second form of questioning with 有. Once again, remember 有 is not 有不有, but it's 有没有. So 你有没有棒棒糖? 你有没有棒棒糖? Right, some commonly used positive negative pattern of questions is it become, can you read this character? 是不是? How about want something? A question of, do you want something? Want something? The shortened form will be 要不要? 要不要? And is it okay? Means is it good? Is it okay and is it good? Is we tend to use good, alright, for okay. So will be 好不好? 好不好? and have something. Now remember, have is 有 and the positive negative pattern for 有 is 有没有. Look, it's not a 不, 有没有. So here you are. Those are quite useful. Okay, 下次见.